भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good evening and welcome to Bharati News. I'm Shweta Arora Malhotra. Let's have a look at the biggest news of the day. Here is the national news first. Kolkata rape murder case. Calcutta High Court orders CBI probe into murder of women doctor. The Calcutta High Court has ordered a Central Bureau of Investigation into the murder of a women doctor. The protests are being held for the second day in a row at the different medical colleges in the state, from Greater Noida in the west to Varanasi in the east, and cities such as Kanpur, Jhansi, Agra, Gorakhpur, besides state's capital Lucknow, over the brutal rape and murder of a doctor in Kolkata. While ruling, the Calcutta High Court also urged agitating doctors to call off cease work and said they have a pious obligation. Junior doctors, interns and other staff who were on duty with the postgraduate training who was allegedly raped and killed at state-run KG Kar Hospital were called for questioning at Kolkata Police Headquarters here, officials said. The head of the Department of Chest Medicine at RG Kar Hospital and a security guard were also summoned at Lal Bazar as part of the probe. Atishi can't hoist national flag on Independence Day as requested by CM Kejriwal, said GAD in a reply to Delhi Minister Gopal Rai on the issue of hoisting the flag on August 15th. The Additional Chief Secretary of General Administration Department has said that Education Minister Atishi can't be allowed to do so. In a letter, he said it is absolutely clear that the above communication does not qualify in the permissible communication which can be sent outside prison. Any communication, written or oral, in contravention of the rules quoted above is not legally valid and therefore cannot be acted upon. The GAD noted this after Cabinet Minister Gopal Rai wrote to ACS that stating that I had a meeting with Chief Minister today. He desires that Minister Atishi should hoist the flag on 15th August 2024 at the Chhatrasal Stadium event. In his place, all the necessary arrangements be made accordingly. So here comes the international news. In Bangladesh, murder case filed against ousted Sheikh Hasina for workers' death during violent protesters. In a significant development, a murder case has been filed against ousted Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, who was compelled to resign and flee to India during widespread protest over job quotas, along with 6 others over the death of a grocery shop worker amid the unrest. This marks the first case to be filed against a 76-year-old leader. Bangladesh interim government chief Muhammad Yunus visited Dhaka's Dhakeshwari temple, says rights equal for Bangladesh. Newly formed interim government chief advisor Muhammad Yunus on Tuesday visited the Dhakeshwari National Temple in the capital, where he emphasized that rights are equal for all religious communities and there should be no differentiation, according to local media reports. Yunus' remarks came in the backdrop of escalating attacks on Hindu temples, households and businesses in the wake of the unrest that led to Sheikh Hasina's ouster. Here comes the sports news. Harbhajan Singh opens about Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli's international future. Former India right arm of break bowler Harbhajan Singh feels that both Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli still have enough cricket left in them to serve the country at the highest level for a few more years. Rohit can easily play for 2 more years. You never know with Virat Kohli's fitness. You can see him competing for 5 years. He is probably the fittest guy in the team, Harbhajan told in an exclusive interview. You may ask any 19-year-old competing with Virat Kohli, Virat will beat him. He is that fit. I believe Virat and Rohit can a lot of cricket left in them and it is entirely up to them. If they are fit enough, they are performing and the team is winning, they should continue to play. As simple as that, he added. The Indian spin bowling legend told in that interview the team requires the pressure of both veteran batters, especially in the red ball format, to nurture the upcoming generations. Football at Paris Olympic men's quarter final fixtures confirmed. Argentina to face France in epic showdown. The top two ranked teams, Argentina and France, are set to clash against each other in the football men's quarterfinals at the Paris Olympic 2024. The 2022 FIFA World Cup finalists are set for an epic rematch on August 2, while the newly crowned European champions Spain received an easy quarterfinal draw against Japan. Here comes the business news. Bangladesh inflation reaches 12-year high to 11.66% in July amid protests. GDP expected to decline. Bangladesh inflation in July touched a 12-year high at 11.66% as the country undergoes massive political turmoil due to violent student protests over a controversial job quota system, according to the nation's Bureau of Statistics. So that concludes our news bulletin for today. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned to Bharti News for continuous coverage and more updates. Wishing you a good evening and a great night ahead. Thank you.
भारती न्यूज़, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।